In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pop-ups on iPhone. We will go through Safari first, then Chrome, so just follow along on your own phone. Start on your home screen and open the Settings app on your iPhone. You are looking for the gray icon with gears on it. When it opens, you will see a long list of options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and so on. This is where all the iPhone-wide preferences live, including how Safari handles pop-ups. Once Settings is open, scroll down and tap Apps. You may need to swipe up the list a little to see it clearly. When you tap Apps, you will move into a section that groups settings for the apps installed on your iPhone. This helps keep app-specific controls separate from the main device options. From there, tap Safari. The Safari entry will have the familiar blue compass icon next to it. After you tap it, the Safari settings screen opens, with sections for search, privacy and security, and many other browsing controls. Every change you make here affects how Safari behaves the next time you use it. Now find the option labeled Block Pop-ups. It sits in the Safari settings list, usually inside the General or Security-related section. Take a few moments to scroll slowly so you do not miss it, since there are many similar-looking toggles here. When you spot Block Pop-ups, leave it for the next step. Turn Block Pop-ups off so that the switch is gray. When the switch is gray, Safari stops blocking new pop-up windows from websites. There is no extra save button here. The change takes effect right away as soon as the toggle moves. If you ever want to block pop-ups again, you would come back and turn this same switch back to green. After that, close Settings and reopen Safari. You can swipe up to return to your home screen, then tap the Safari icon again. Once Safari is open, any site that tries to use pop-ups will now be allowed to show them. A trusted banking site or a secure login portal often uses pop-ups for features like extra login windows. If you use Google Chrome on iPhone, open the Chrome app. Look for the round icon with red, yellow, green, and a blue center. When Chrome opens, you will see your start page or your last open tab. Chrome has its own pop-up controls, separate from Safari, so we adjust them inside the app. Next up, tap the More button, the one that shows 3 dots. It usually appears in the lower right or upper right corner of the screen. Tapping it opens a menu that slides up or down, with options like New tab, History, and Settings. This menu is where Chrome hides most of its extra tools. In that menu, tap Settings. This takes you to the Chrome settings screen, which looks different from iPhone settings. Here you control how Chrome handles things like privacy, search, and site behavior. Any change here affects only Chrome, not Safari or other browsers on your phone. On the Chrome settings screen, tap Content Settings. This area controls how websites can behave, including permissions like pop-ups or other interactive elements. Many beginners overlook this section, but it is where Chrome decides what sites are allowed to show you automatically. Inside Content Settings, tap Block Pop-ups. You will see an option that clearly indicates whether blocking is currently on or off. If it is on, Chrome will silently stop many extra windows from opening. We want the opposite behavior for sites you trust. Turn it off. Once you switch Block Pop-ups off, Chrome allows pop-ups from sites you visit. Just like Safari, there is no separate save step. The new setting is active right away. You can test this by visiting a site that opens its login or payment window as a pop-up. Tip time now. After allowing pop-ups for a website you trust, consider turning the blocker back on, because some pop-ups may contain unwanted ads or unsafe content. You have now learned how to enable pop-ups for both Safari and Chrome on your iPhone. So if this helped you get a login or payment window working, please give the video a quick thumbs up. And if you like clear iPhone tips like this, feel free to subscribe as well.